Okay, we are on Kentucky Flyer. Brand new.
Me behind the exit gate first.
I gave myself some room by pushing forward. Just the way these restraints are. You don't care, do you? GP. You're old, I understand.
Has to do with I got a shoulder that hurts now, and I really don't particularly want any
Alright, here we go.
unwanted airtime or any other crap.
Oh, you're still gonna get it.
No doubt. Oh, goody.
Arms up. It'll protect your shoulders, really. Here we go.
No, turning back!
Woo! Whoa! 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 Oh, airtime! Oh! Woo!
Some decent ejectors.
Yeah. What did I tell you about Gravity Group managing to do amazing things with not so amazing looking rides?
Yeah.
It hauls.
Danielle, you chicken!
All right.
You chicken!
Whew. Okay. All right.